Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you a couple different ways how you can simply stop your iPhone from spying on you. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first we need to open up our settings and then go into some application right there. Just scroll down for a bit, and as you know, all applications, not completely all, but some popular application collect all your data, then send it to servers of that application, and their algorithms and people can analyze all that data. So to block for an specific application permission for collecting your data, you can just let's find there, for example, Instagram application, and there we can block for the Instagram access to our microphone, for example, camera, our location. I can select it, switch it to never, and some another options also you can block there for your Instagram. So that specific application wouldn't be able to collect that kind of data. One more thing what you can do, just open up your settings, go to general, and there select background app, refresh, and there are all your applications that can be refreshed while in background. So you can first disable that option at all, or you can enable it while on Wi-Fi, and you can also enable or disable that option for every specific app. I can turn it off for Instagram, for Messenger, for Pinterest, Snapchat, and so on. And you may also turn off background app refresh for some specific applications. And also one more thing that you can do, just open up your settings again, scroll down until you find Siri and search, go into that menu, and here turn off listen for Hey Siri option, because when this option is on, your device can use microphone to listen what you are talking about, and all that data can be analyzed and sold to show you more relevant ads in any applications that you use. I hope it helps you guys, so before you go, please like and subscribe.